In this video, we'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile even if the option is not supported in your country. So first, head to your Facebook app. Now go to your profile. Now tap on these three horizontal lines and then tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings here. Now in this menu, you'll need to scroll down and go to this audience and visibility section. If you can see the profile locking option, simply tap on it and then select lock your profile. However, if this option doesn't appear here, what you can do is go to this posts option instead. Now here you will see this who can see your future posts. Simply tap on it and then set it to your friends only and then hit save. Now here tap on this view option and then select limit past posts. So this will change all your past posts to your friends only, so no one else can see it. Now go back to the previous menu and then go to stories. Now here again repeat the same steps. Set the who can see your stories to friends and then go back to the previous menu. Tap on reels and repeat the same steps here as well. Once you have done this, tap on this how people find you and contact you. Now here you can set all these options to friends only or only me. So set it to friends or only me. So this is how you can lock your Facebook profile manually. You won't see the locked icon on your profile, but this will have the same effect as Facebook's profile locking feature.